Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can change your iPhone names or once you are turn on your hotspot or like multiple things like send airdrop and you will get changed name or like you want to change it to on your name. So you can do it by the same steps I will show you. Open up your phone settings and then scroll up and click on generals, and there you will find on the top about. Click on that and then you will see on the top name. Once you click on that, you will comes in this page and you can simply edit your name over here. Like you wanna type over here any name, it gonna be shown on your hotspot and airdrop and multiple apps over here. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.